Nice spread you got here. Humana, 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 humana. Who is this? Oh.
That's my mom.
Awkward. Yeah. Yes, this place will do quite nicely, actually. Yeah. Although those drapes are a train wreck. And this is the lumpiest couch I ever sat on. Who is this dreadfully uncomfortable woman?
Get off her. That's our babysitter.
What the? Babysitter? You don't need one of those, do you? Let me get this straight. You pay this woman to sit on babies? That's disgusting. I'd do it for nothing. Now, let's see what the old phenometer has to say.
Phenometer?
Yeah, it measures how fun you are. Ah, control freak. Yeah. Now you.
Tap it.
Listen, kid. You can tap it with a hammer. It ain't gonna change. Just as I suspected, you guys are both out of whack. You're a control freak, and you're a rule breaker. That'll be $700. Who's your insurance carrier?
So what do we do?
Well, there are two treatments I'd recommend. One is a series of painful shots injected into your abdomen and kneecaps. And the other involves a musical number. Me, 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 meow.
How many shots?
How many shots? Aren't you precious? Maestro! I know it is wet and the sun is not sunny, but we can have lots of good fun that is funny. It's fun to have fun, but you got to know how. Hairball. I know lots of good tricks, and I'll
Stop this right now!
Who said that?
Me! Remember the fish? Came home in a baggie, loved me for 2 weeks, and then nothing!
The fish is talking.
Well, sure he can talk, but is he saying anything? No, not really. No.
Hey, Socks! Can it! This cat should not be here. He should not be about. He should not be here when your mother is out.
Come on, kids, you're gonna listen to him? He drinks where he pees. There was this cat I knew back home where I was bred. He never listened to a single thing his mother said. He never used a litter box, he made a mess in the house. That's why they sent him to a vet to cut off both his boo. Boo, boo. Boy, that wasn't fun. He never learned you can have fun. But that's his point. They may ship you off to school, so rein it in a little. We can't spell fun without you in the middle.
Children, this cat is currently in violation of 17 of your mother's rules.
City morgue.
18!
You can juggle work and play, but you have to know the way. You can keep or float a wish like the way I do this fish. You can be a happy fella, someone throw me that umbrella and that rake, that cake. Let's what you're making, so have fun. Go and
insane and has some
Fun, fun, fun.
Just look at me!
Fun, fun, fun. No more rain, look, it's the sun, sun, sun.
So can't you see?
I'm as happy as a clown, I'm as fit as a fiddle.
Yeah, the dogs may bark about you, and the purebred cats may doubt you.
Motion sick, kid.
Milk? Big mistake. But remember this, you can't have fun without
I
you.
can't breathe.
Whoa! Whoa! I knew that milk would come back to haunt me.
Help! Help!
You in the fiddle!
Bravo, cat. I think these children are smart enough not to fall for your MTV-style flash at the expense of content and moral values.
That was wicked cool. Do it again.
I'd love to, but Shamu is right. I really should be going.
No, don't go.
No, I should go. I should let you and the fish have all your fun conjugating verbs, cleaning a room, doing long division.
No, you have to stay.
All right, I'll stay.
Yeah!
Oh, yeah! But if I'm going to stay, there's something I want to show you. Something magical and full of wonder. It's called a contract.
You want us to sign this?
Just a formality, really.
Who are they?
Magical time-traveling elves. Yeah, magic. Okay, they're my lawyers. Liability issues, litigious society, frivolous lawsuits, you understand. Basically, this contract guarantees you can have all the fun you want and nothing bad's ever gonna happen.
All the fun we want? Nothing bad will happen.
No.
Come on, Sal, for once in your life, try something spontaneous.
Goes against my better instincts, but fine.
Beautiful initial here, and here, and here.
Not here!
Turn it over. This is nothing. Scratch this.
Smell that!
Terrific. Yada, yada, yada. Sign the bottom.
Great!
Okay.
Give me 5!
4.
Let's get this party started!
Oh. Hey, check out this room. What now?
Mom says we're not allowed in the living room today or else.
She's worried we'll mess up the couches by jumping on them or something.
And she's right. You can't jump on these. Not like this. They need some adjustment. Yee-haw! Let's take a look under the hood. Where's my jack? Sorry. What we got here? There we go. It's oversized. That's unusual. Here it is.
Down, Chippa! Down, Chippa!
Get out of here. Bring me, would you? Thanks for the help. Back in a second. Your couch mechanic. You ought to call Mr. Catridge. Oh, my fur! My fur! My fur! That ought to do it. Woo!
Oh. Come on, kids! I could use a little company.
What about Mom's party?
What about it? We signed the contract. Wahoo!